Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change payment methods on your Binance. Right, so this is really easy thing to do, and you can also follow the same tutorial on your mobile phone or any other devices. So first of all, you have to just open your Binance mobile application, or you can go to the website here. On the top right you will get this option of login. So you have to just go to login, enter your number or email address, and make sure you're inside your account. Once you're inside your account, you will see a profile icon here. On the top left side corner, you will see a profile icon. Just go on tap there. Once you tap there, you will be see all this option as you can see over the screen here. Now you will see a lot of options. Just go and click on payment methods. As you can see here, this is payment methods. So just go and tap on it. So maybe the UI can be different in different countries. In your case, it could also look like this. Now just go and click on payment methods, and now you will get all this option here. For example, if you want to add a bank card, for example, debit card or credit card, just go and click on connect your card. Or if you want to directly add your bank account, then just go and click on bank transfer. Now, of course, after that, you have to enter your information, your critical important information, which is personal. That's why we can't show it over this screen. And once you enter your debit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV, and then it's done. So this is how you can add a lot of payment methods into your Binance. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.